Anna was rummaging through her attic one day, looking for some old blankets, when she stumbled upon a dusty shoebox. She opened it up to find dozens of crayons, still intact despite the years that had passed. Vivid memories came flooding back of countless hours spent coloring at the kitchen table as a little girl. The familiar smell of wax and pigment brought a smile to her face. She decided then and there that she would share this small joy with her own children to celebrate National Crayon Day. National Crayon Day commemorates the birthday of Edwin Binning, the inventor of the first dusted chalk in 1902. Binning, along with his cousin C. Harold Smith, began Binning and Smith, later becoming Crayola. Their first product was a box of 8 crayons that sold for a nickel. The company today produces 3 billion crayons per year in a vibrant palette for over 150 colors. The simple crayons plays an important role in childhood development. It encourages creativity by allowing children to freely create art and express themselves. Coloring helps develop the fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The crayons also sparks the imagination as children experienced by combining different colors and forms. For many, the crayons evokes a sense of nostalgia for a simple time of youth, creativity, and wonder. On National Crayon Day, people honor this icon of childhood in colorful ways. Some organize crayon drives to donate boxes to schools, hospitals, and shelters. Others share photos or videos on social media of their crayon creations or favorite childhood crayon memories using the hashtag National Crayon Day. Many households conduct DIY crayons projects like melting crayons into new shapes, making crayons rocks, or crayon stained glass art. A fun science experiment for kids is making homemade crayons using wax, pigment, and molds. However you choose to celebrate, National Crayon Day serves as an opportunity to reconnect with your inner child by putting crayon to paper once again. Anna decided to surprise her kids when they came home from school with a pile of coloring pages, a fresh box of crayons, and an invitation to create their heart's content in honor of National Crayon Day. Their delighted squares brought Anna as much joy as the hours of coloring did in her own childhood. Crayons have a magical way of brightening the world with colorful nostalgia for generation after generation. March 31 is National Crayon Day. Here is a painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful National Crayon Day. Cheers!